Well, hello and welcome to Gear Gyan with me, Sahil Jaktiani, where we talk about all things related to the Indian guitar gear scene. And in today's unboxing video, we've got a parcel sent in by Manmeet Singh, and it has not been packed properly. This is probably going to be one of the most scariest unboxing videos. I'm just praying that nothing's broken, nothing's dinged, nothing's dented. I do have to give him an update today, so I'm hoping nothing is bad. He actually, took some money for some foam. I'm hoping the foam is inside over here. I don't see foam. I just see 2 rounds of bubble wrap on this. It's like a cardboard wrap, gift wrap. It's not even a box. It's terrible. I mean, I trust Manmeet, so I was a little shocked that he sent it this way. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's okay. If it's fine, then all wells that ends well. But let's see what's inside. Before we get into that, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our latest videos. All right, let's get unboxing. So this looks like a fabricated wrap, okay, and there is some foam inside here, so I'm presuming it's going to be okay. Let's see. Okay, so not ideal. And we're going to see how it's reached. That's the foam. That's the guitar. Please God, let it be safe. And there's the guitar. It's a Kramer Baretta Special. He did polish it up for me, so it does look as good as new. It's a second-hand instrument, but it's relatively new, and thank God, no cracks, no dings, no scratches, no bangs, no pings, no pongs. It's all good. But where is my tremolo arm? That's the $1 million question. He forgot to send the tremolo arm. Jesus. Yep, he's forgotten to send it. And that's not cool. I will be talking to him about that. Strings are fully slackened. So I'm going to get my tuner, tune it up, check it out, see if it plays okay, and then get back to you guys. Okay, so she's tuned up, and at the 12th fret, we got an action reading of, not bad, 1.75. Treble side, 1.25. It's probably set up. The strings are super rusted. Okay, I did buy the second hand, so I'm starting to regret it now because it was only, I think, about a 4,000 rupee difference from what I would pay for it first hand. But still, I mean, it's 25% off, so it's okay. And does look good, but now I have to factor in the fact that I've got no tremolo arm. I'm going to check that also. And I have to buy a new set of strings, so that will probably set me back another 1,500 bucks. Not a great deal as of now, but let me see. Let me talk to Manmeet. Let me get back to you guys on this. I see a little bit of... okay, that's not dust, that's just a little bit of glue residue. Okay, that's gone. There's nothing wrong with the guitar. It's made in Indonesia. Looks good. Let's see how it sounds. Okay. Ooh, let's get some. That's my failed attempt at that song, but still, what do I think overall? Looks like an interesting guitar. I'm worried about a couple of things. The tuning stability, the tuners are pretty okay. Not bad, but not great either. I think I will replace these tuners. I am worried about the nut as well, okay? The nut, I mean, there's like a huge pull on the sides over there. I mean, there is tilt back. It's not extreme tilt back like with some of the Jacksons. So there's hope for that. I think I might see the tuner, get some locking tuners for that in the future after the review, of course. For the review, I do have to get a tremolo arm. Everything at the back looks good. There's nothing wrong. Kramer neck plate, very nice. I've noticed one more thing, that the screw on the bottom half of the pickup, okay, is not getting enough string action, okay. So I think I'm going to change this pickup definitely in the future. Maybe put an EMG pickup. I think that'll be pretty wild. A nice 81 or an 81X. I don't have an 81X. I think I have something coming up with an 81 on it. And I have played 81s and 85s as a set. They're really good. But I want to get an 81X for this, okay? Why? Just for the sake of it. I do have some Fishmans now. I have, one EMG build coming up. This is cool if this has an EMG on it. And I think, I check the fret ends. Fret ends are good. Very nice fret ends. No issues at all with that. So the fretwork is good. The setup is okay. Could be a little bit better. Strings are trash. Got to change those out for sure. So all in all, it's bittersweet. I'm happy I've finally gotten a Kramer Baretta in the house, and it's going to definitely be modded after the initial review with Ashwin. And yeah, looking forward. What am I going to do with the trem? Now, since we're doing EMG and we're doing better, tuners, I don't have a Vega trem anymore. No more Vega trem guitars. Maybe we put a Vega trem on this Baretta Special, and it's like overkill. 3 times the price. The mods are 3 times the price of the guitar. But what the hell? Why not, man? We haven't done these kinds of crazy mods in a while, so let's do it. Looking forward to this one. See you in the review.